Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we will prepare a selection of Sicilian Spiedini recipes. Spiedini can be made with meat, fish or vegetables. They are coated with breadcrumbs and cheese, rolled into skewers and grilled. When grilled, the Spiedini remain tender and juicy inside, forming a crispy, cheesy crust on the outside. These are the ingredients you need for this Spiedini. You must know by now that the measurements are in the description below. For beef Spiedini, you can use lean beef like rump steak. Slice the beef very thinly with an electric knife. Flatten each slice with a meat hammer until they are evenly flat. Cut them into small, long strips. Place them in a bowl and season with salt and olive oil. For chicken Spiedini, use the breast. Cut into thin slices and season with salt and olive oil. For fish, you can use salmon, swordfish or tuna. Remove the stalk. No, I'm not saying this again. You can watch these other two recipes. Cut the ends of the zucchini, slice the zucchini lengthwise. Season a skillet pan with olive oil. Grill the eggplants and the zucchini slices on both sides.
They do not need to be completely cooked, as they will cook in the oven.
Flavor the breadcrumbs by blending a few tablespoons with basil, garlic and Parmesan. Then mix with the rest. If you make extra, you can store it in the freezer. Coat the beef, chicken or salmon strips with the breadcrumbs. Roll them tightly into your fist. You can add some extra grated cheese in the middle. Insert the rolls inside the skewers and they are ready for baking. Place the grilled eggplants on a cutting board. Brush with olive oil and season with salt on both sides. Sprinkle some breadcrumbs and some extra grated cheese. Roll them and coat the rolls with more breadcrumbs. Insert in the skewer. Do exactly the same with the zucchini. I'm glad you speeded up, there's nothing new to see here. Okay, I'm glad you're done. Bake the meat Spiedini for 30 minutes at 355 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Turn the other side and bake for 10 more minutes. The fish Spiedini need to only bake for 10 minutes on each side. The vegetable Spiedini as well. These Spiedini can be served with a fresh salad simply seasoned with salt and extra virgin olive oil. Because the breadcrumbs are full of flavors, you do not need to add any additional sauce. They can be eaten in one bite, perfect for a summer buffet. Serve them with fresh tabbouleh or pasta with pesto alla trapanese. For more single portions for a buffet, watch the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Can I have one of each?